car trouble can really put a damper on life. But don't let it.
We've got this.
Thanks. These guys are so attentive. They're friendly. I can always depend on Gonzales.
Sure you can. For 67 years, Gonzales have been serving individuals and fleet customers. From a basic oil change to an engine overhaul. Here's what customers are saying about Gonzales.
Gonzales #1 in my book.
Gonzales promised everything to our satisfaction.
Gonzales will do whatever it takes to ensure customer satisfaction.
Yay, Gonzales!
Get that.
You know, Gonzales is really reliable and honest. Those mechanics are truly qualified. ASE certified.
Right? You better believe it. They've been servicing my truck for years.
Huh?
Welcome to Casal's Auto and Truck Service. My dad started this company in 1949, and I am very proud to carry on his legacy. We've gone from the small mom and pop shop he started on the corner of Old Spanish Trail and expanded it this year to almost 30 bays. Now we expanded to where we're working on big diesel trucks, large fleets. Probably every hospital in Houston uses us now, along with some major fleet accounts and then the general public, a lot of U of H students. And we look forward to servicing you too. Thank you for considering Casal's Auto and Truck Service, your one-stop shop for all your auto and truck service needs. I'm Mike Kacal. Thank you.
Hello, Ms. Whittaker. You all set and good to go?
You see what I mean? You can always depend on Gonzales.
Gonzales Auto and Truck Service, 5030 Old Spanish Trail, Houston, Texas. We're looking forward to serving you.